So I just made myself a cup of tea, and I was about to start some housework, but then something interesting came to my mind. There are two English words that confuse almost every learner: make and do. And today, we're going to finally make them simple. Why are make and do so confusing? Because they feel very similar. In many languages, people use just one word for both. For example, in Spanish, they use hacer for both make and do. So, naturally, learners mix them up. The main difference, simple rule. Let's break it down. Make equals create something new. Do equals complete a task or activity. That's the core idea. But English has exceptions, and we'll talk about those soon. Let's start with make. Use make when you are creating something. For example, I'll make some tea. Can I make a suggestion? I'd like to make you an offer. Make me a promise. I made a mistake. I want to make a complaint. Who's making that noise? They made an important discovery. Make with money and business. Most money-related phrases use make. I made a loss last month. This month, I want to make a profit. She made an investment. He made a bet on the match. They made a fortune. Now, let's talk about do. Use do when you're completing a task or activity. For example, I do my homework every night. I have to do a test next week. We did experiments in class. I don't want to do interviews. I might do a language course. Do with daily tasks. Housework and chores usually use do. I hate doing the shopping. I don't mind doing the dishes. I hate doing the ironing. Do for results and performance. I did badly in my exam. She did really well. Do your best. Or do your worst. Also, doing good means helping or being positive. Eating healthy does you good. Important exceptions. Even though most business expressions use make, we say, it's a pleasure doing business with you. So we say do business. Even though chores use do, we say, I make my bed. Even though art is creation, we say,
I do a drawing.
For hair and makeup, I do my hair.
I do my makeup.
Final thought. Remember, make equals create something new.
Do equals complete a task.
There are exceptions, but you will learn them with practice. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Fluent Avenuex. Try the quiz coming up next. Leave your answers in the comments and I will check them.
See you in the next video.